Jellyfish are ancient marine creatures, having existed for over 500 million years, making them older than dinosaurs. Despite their simple structure, lacking brains, hearts, or bones, they are highly efficient predators. Jellyfish use their stinging tentacles to capture prey, delivering venom through specialized cells called nematocysts. Some species, like the immortal jellyfish, can revert to their juvenile form after reaching maturity, potentially living indefinitely. Found in oceans worldwide, jellyfish are both beautiful and mysterious, playing crucial roles in marine ecosystems.